My king, I need to know when our visitor would be leaving. She has been with us for over a month now.
She hasn't said anything as to when she intends to leave. Besides, I don't think it is proper to ask her to leave when she has not said anything about that.
I won't continue to live in the same roof with her. It's not possible. She must leave.
Obiagiri, you are going beyond your limits. I am still the king of this land. I give the orders.
You think I'm not aware of your plan? To make her your second wife?
And what is wrong with that?
Is that why you got her pregnant?
Oh yes, I am responsible for that pregnancy. Besides, I'm an African. Our tradition supports polygamy.
Your Majesty, she must leave.
She must stay. She goes nowhere.
I'll leave.
You can't leave just like that. How could you? What about the child?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.